When graphing straight lines, the slope-intercept equation is very helpful. In this section, we will look at the variables that make up the slope-intercept equation of a straight line and see how those variables apply to the graph of the line. The slope-intercept equation of a straight line is given as y equals mx plus b. The b variable refers to the y-intercept, or the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. The m variable refers to the slope of the line. The slope of the line is the ratio of the change in the y values to the change in the x values. This is also known as the ratio of the rise of the line to the run of the line. Basically, a slope of m units means that for every m units up or down, if m is negative, the line will move 1 unit to the right. The x and y in the equation refer to the corresponding coordinates for any point on the line. In this example, we will graph the line y equals 5x minus 3 by plotting the y-intercept and applying the slope. To find the y-intercept, compare our equation y equals 5x minus 3 with the slope-intercept form of the equation y equals mx plus b. The variable b gives us the y-intercept. The y-intercept is negative 3. Start the graph by plotting a point on the y-axis at the point 0, negative 3. The slope of the line is m equals 5. 5 can be written in ratio form as 5 over 1. For every 5 units that the line rises, it will also go to the right 1 unit. Apply the slope 5 over 1 to the point 0, negative 3. This gives us a second point at 1, 2. Finish the graph by drawing a line through the 2 points. Now let's graph the line y equals negative 2/3 x plus 5. The y-intercept is 5. The slope is negative 2 over 3. The negative slope tells us that the graph is decreasing or going down to the right. The line will fall 2 units for every 3 units to the right. Applying the slope gives us a second point at 3, 3. Now draw the line between the points. For our last example, we will determine the equation of the line that is shown in the graph. Start with the slope-intercept form of the equation of a straight line, y equals mx plus b. To get the equation, we need to know 2 things, the slope and the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, 6, so the value for b is 6. We can determine the slope by comparing the 2 points. Starting at the point negative 4, 8, we can go down 2 units and to the right 4 units to get to the point 0, 6. The slope m is negative 2 over 4. Negative 2 over 4 simplifies to negative 1 over 2. The slope is minus 1 over 2, or negative 1/2, and the y-intercept is 6. Substitute these values into y equals mx plus b to get the equation y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6. You should look over the examples on the web page and then test your knowledge using Test Yourself.